Finally, almost done, guys.
Almost hindi done.
Almost done. Thank you for my nail technician. She fixed my nails.
Give me 6 KD.
Oh my goodness, 6KD. Don't have money to give 6KD, me.
Yeah,
No salary.
6 kidding me.
So guys, visit our salon.
If manicure, I bring in my country.
Wow.
Not. It's not famous.
Not famous in your country, manicure?
No. Only nail gel.
Oh, no problem. Here in Kuwait, very famous. We are working here. This is famous lady here. Yes. Famous. What is your name?
There is new news now.
Tia.
There is new news.
Thank you so much for my nails, guys. Thank you, Rista.
Welcome.